Hi guys! So yan, we just checked in here sa Astoria Plaza in Pasig. I'm with my good friends. Ayan. Isang room, so two single beds with TV. O, diba? Yan. Overlooking nothing. O, diba? Pero maganda naman. Ay, hindi. Merong, ito yung pool area, oh. Diba? Oh. Nice. Siyempre, pinakamaganda is blackout ang curtains. Yan. For late risers, diba? Like me. Ayan. At siyempre, let's check the bathroom. Ayan. Oh, diba? Nice. Oh. Okay, so may basin, may shower and bathtub. Diba? Very, very nice for short stays. Diba? Tapos ito naman yung isang room, so it's like a mirror, tawag dito, kapareho lang naman. There's TV, ayan, tapos bathroom din. Ayan. Tapos may closet space, which is very nice. And it may come in handy for those travelers with a lot of clothes. Tsak! Taray. Ayan. At syempre, At syempre, ito yung mga friends, best of friends, yan. At handa na kaming magplastikan. Chika lang. Yan. At syempre guys, ang pasalubong ng Anlo, ang napaka-social kong friend is Dior Sauvage.
Thank you.
Dior Sauvage. And some chocolates as well. Thank you, Anlo! Guys, very nice. Oh. Sauvage Elixir, Sauvage Parfum, Sauvage Eau de Parfum, and Sauvage. Nice. Thank you, Andrew. Hi, guys! Yan. So, we're on our way to Barbecue 678 sa Pasay. Doon kami kakain. Doon mag-dinner. Say hi, guys! Guys at the back! Yes! Anlo! Ayan. Fresh from Singapore. Sige. Samahan nyo kami, guys. Okay? Bye. Guys, so change of plans. We're going to Jumong Korean restaurant in Makati kasi sobrang karmagi doon. So, di ba? So, para masasayang lang oras namin. So, dito na kami sa Jumong na lang. Masarap din naman doon. Nice! Bye! Yan guys, so our food is here. So, we'll start cooking our samgyeopsal. Yan, yay! Nice! Japchae! Tsaka sides. Okay.
O, lasang natuloy na yan. Kaya hindi gusto yan.
So guys, ayan.
Ito.
Nice! Siyempre masarap naman talaga to.
Para kay healthy.
Delish! Hi guys! So yan, kasama ko yung mga friends. Si Ellie, si Gretz, si Anlo, fresh from Singapore. Ayan, si Majel, and si Dayan. Dayan, say hi. Ayan. So yan, nagkukwentuhan kami. Ay, si Chano, sorry. Ano ba yan? Si Chano. Yan, ang bagong kasal. Si Diana si Chano. Kasi hindi in-invite si Ellie. Yan. So, they're trying to square things out.
Square things out.
Hi! So, uwi na kami. Uwi na ako. Hinintay na ako. Bye! Bye!